practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Cooking adventures. Conversation between two friends Sarah and Jake. I'll play the role of Sarah and you'll play the role of Jake. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Hey, Jake, have you ever tried cooking something by yourself?
Not really. I usually stick to making instant noodles. Why? Are you a master chef now?
Haha, well, I've been experimenting in the kitchen. I made a homemade lasagna last night.
Lasagna? That sounds fancy. How did it turn out?
Surprisingly good. I followed this simple recipe I found online, and it wasn't as hard as I thought.
I'm impressed. Maybe I should give cooking a try. What do you suggest for a beginner like me?
Start with something easy, like scrambled eggs or pasta. Then you can work your way up to more complicated dishes.
Maybe I'll try making pasta. What's the secret to getting it right?
Just make sure you don't overcook it. Al dente is the key, and don't forget to add salt to the water.
Deal. If I succeed, you're coming over to taste my masterpiece.
Now, it's time for you to practice. I'll read the lines of the Sarah, and you'll play the role of the Jake. Get ready. Hey, Jake, have you ever tried cooking something by yourself? Well, I've been experimenting in the kitchen. I made a homemade lasagna last night. Surprisingly good. I followed this simple recipe I found online, and it wasn't as hard as I thought. Start with something easy, like scrambled eggs or pasta. Then you can work your way up to more complicated dishes. Just make sure you don't overcook it. Al dente is the key, and don't forget to add salt to the water. Great job. Keep practicing this conversation a few more times until you feel confident. And remember, speaking out loud is one of the best ways to improve your English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.